वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य द्विकर्मकधातु प्रयोगं कथम् आगच्छति इति पश्यामः वा?
द्विकर्मक इत्युक्ते
टु कर्मपदं कर्मपदौ पदे
कर्मपदे द्वे भवति भवतः अत्र what you have to understand is when the speaker doesn't actually this vyakaranam whatever Panini wrote, he wrote according to the way people were speaking. That is the first point we have to remember. So it was already what was already in use. For that he designed this vyakaranam. So in this case, in Dvikarmaka Dhatavaha, when the speaker, he doesn't wish to use the different vibhaktis, like wherever it is applicable, Panchami vibhakti is applicable or Saptami is applicable, but he is comfortable with Dvitiya vibhakti. So for these are applicable only for the special 16 dhatus, not for all the dhatus. So for these he has allowed us to make this kind of prayoga. Okay, the first one is duh prapurane. So gopalaha gam dugdham dogdhi is there, no? Here gam is from the cow. He is milking the cow, means milk is getting separated from the cow. But what the user is saying is gam dugdham. So here instead of Panchami, so when that separation is there, it should be the go shabda should get the Panchami, isn't it? Instead of that, it is getting Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay.
How did you read this letter?
Which one? Duh prapurane.
So then this one, the dot is like a namam. What the bindi? Chandrabindu. So how do I pronounce that?
Duh prapuraneva. But one more thing is like many dhatus, they say adyocharanam. Adyocharanam ityukte what was said by these great rishis like Panini, Patanjali, and then Vararuchi. That is the accepted form. When you go to ashtadhyayi.com and look for this word duh, if we don't put this chandrabindu, simply put duh, but it will show you along with chandrabindu. So that was the accepted original form. That is called as Anunasika, Anunasika Shabda. Okay. Then
this duh is what converts to dogdhi.
Duh, duh. If we don't write Chandrabindu also, it means the same thing.
No, no, that is fine. I'm trying to understand. Duh
Yes.
converting to dogdhi here, right?
Milks.
Okay. Oh, this is the dhatu, this is the kriya padam. Okay, dogdhi.
Then chi chayane. We usually say chi chayane, but actual original dhatu is chi. So we must always try to remember this, whether we pronounce it or not, but it should be in our mind that chi. Then vriksham avachinoti, whatever phalam or pushpam, whatever, arama palaha. The gardener, he is plucking something from the tree. So there is a separation from the tree to that object, isn't it? But
so actual object is missing here.
Vrikshat. That's okay. You can add. I forgot.
No. So that's what I'm trying to understand. So vriksham is actually supposed to be Panchami, and actual object is missing. But we can write like this also.
Yes. Vriksham avachin. Vrikshat. It should be vrikshat Panchami. But the user feels he is happy with Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay.
So is it like Dvitiya is typically replacing Panchami, or it can replace others also?
I didn't understand.
Right now, even Gam was for the Panchami for Goho, and Vriksham was for Vrikshat. We are writing Dvitiya for Panchami. Is it only for Panchami, or we can write?
No. We have others also. Others also step in here. Here, third one, brewing. Vyakta. We say usually brew for that dhatu, but it is brewing vyaktayam vachi. I wrote this to make you people understand that this is the way to write actually.
This is good actually.
Okay.
So in the second one, where is the dvikarma kaha? There are two.
That
I don't see.
No. Vriksham.
That's what I said. The second karma is missing actually.
Even the subject is missing, right? Arama palaha is a subject, right? That is a karma padam.
No.
So
That's a kartari.
Kartrupadam. And karma padam, another one is not.
That I should have typed.
Vriksham palam.
I
Palam,
thought
correct?
it's okay.
you can say vriksham.
Palani.
Phalam avachinoti aramapala.
It could be Falani also, right?
Phalam.
Anything.
Phalam, Palani. Anything. Here, Manavakam, Pita, you interchange this. Pita, Manavakam, Dharmam, Brute.
What is Brute?
Brute is Vadati. Here the dhatu is brewing. So, Brute. Okay. Manavakaya.
Atmanepadi? Is Atmanepadi Brute?
Manavakam ityukte?
Student, disciple. Pita Manavakaya Dharmam Brute. Isn't it? Instead of Chaturthi, here the Dvitiya Vibhakti has come. Okay. Then fourth one, Shasu Anushishtav. This is also like Manavakam Dharmam Shasti.
Means discipline.
Dharmam Shasti. Saying, talking about some rules maybe. Manavakaya. Here also Chaturthi should come, but Dvitiya has come. Okay. Next one. Ji Jaye.
Satam jayati Devadattam Dhanikah.
धनिकः देवदत्तं शतं जयति.
Okay, so let me try to figure out what vibhakti it should be. Okay, Jayati. Jayati means win.
Wins.
Okay. Dhanikah shatam jayati. Satam is 100. Dhanika won 100.
You can consider this as Shata Rupyakani.
Oh, okay. Devdattam is what?
Devadatta, one person. Devadatta is a person.
Oh, so it will be Panchami then. Dhanikah Devdattat Satam Jayati.
Yes, very good. Then Mantha Vilodane. Churning.
Mantha is like churning.
Churning.
Okay.
Mantha Vilodane.
Surat Daitya Samuha Shira Nidhim Sudham Matmati. Okay, so Sur Daitya Samuha Shira Nidhim Mathnati and Sudham. What is Sudha?
Sudha means honey, Amritam.
Oh, okay. Oh, Sudha came out of it when
nectar.
So Shira Nidhim Mathnati. Sudha.
Can it be butter also in this?
Okay.
Not butter. Suradaitya Samuha. They churned nectar. No? Churned the ocean and got the nectar.
So what vibhakti will be this? God?
Nidhi. Shira Nidhi Shabdaha. Ikaranta. Hari Shabdavat.
Again got that from the...
right?
From Panchami. Only. Panchami only.
Okay. So Surdaitya Samuha Sudham Mathnati. Matlab, that is the base sentence.
Yes.
Mathnati means what? Got.
Manthan.
Turned out.
Churning.
No, I'm just trying to understand. Surdaitya Samuha Sudham Mathnati. So they churned out the Amrit.
Yes.
Okay. From Shirnidhim.
Shira Nidhehe. Nidhehe should be there. Instead of that, they said Shira Nidhim Sudham Mathnati.
Harehe.
Hareheva. Next, Mush Steye. Stealing. Stenaha is a thief.
Stena is?
Thief.
Stenaha Satam Musannati. Okay, again Devdattat. From him, from Devdatta is told 100 rupees.
Next.
Krishi Valaha.
Ni Prapane. See, we say ni. Tatha dadhana, that ni we use for ni prapane, isn't it? Actual root is ni prapane.
Neen. Neen you pronounce? Neen?
Ni.
Neen.
Okay.
Nya.
Prapane.
Prapane.
It's like Prapane is lead.
Krishivalaha. Krishivalaha is farmer. Farmer. Gramam. Ajam Nayati. So, Krishivalaha brings, Nayati is bringing. Anayati is bringing, is taking away the goat from the Gramam. Gramat Ajam Nayati.
Gramat can be there, otherwise Grame. In the
Grame.
Saptami also you can use, no?
Yeah.
But he is using Gramam. Okay.
So in this case, which one are we, because of the Nayati Dhatu?
Yeah.
Which Dhatu?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ni Dhatu. Ni Dhatu, yeah. Actually, Ni. Okay, that's what you said. Okay.
Then, Hri, Harane. We say Hri, isn't it? Usually we are saying we don't bother about this fifth letter or Anunasika Varna.
Nasika.
But during those days, and I have seen in this Pali work I have done some time back, dictionary work, there also is so many fifth letters are used in so many places. They use extensively this fifth letter and Anunasika Varnas.
So these last five fifth letters are called Anunasika Varna.
They are very important actually, but somehow we have left them. We don't need them. In actually, I have got some prakriya also today. I thought I'll show how it is done. Only for Prathama Vibhakti, I wanted to share it with you. Let us see if it is possible.
Sure.
Hri Harane.
Saraswati Mother, you want to go ahead? Read.
Yeah. Krishi, next one, right? Where? Yaj.
No.
Yeah.
This one. Hri
Krishi
Harane.
Valaha Gram. I thought.
That was
Harati,
about-
Harati. Okay, Naiti. Okay. Krishi Valaha Gramam Ajam Harati. So he's stealing. Harati is taking.
Yes.
Stealing.
Yes.
In this also, from the Gramam or Grame Ajam, same thing.
Both can be used. Agrivam.
You want to go, Swapna Mahadi?
Yanch. Vamanaha balim yachate vasudham. Vamanaha balim.
Bali Chakravarti.
Vasudham yachate. You interchange that if you find it.
What is Vasudham?
Bhumi.
Okay.
Vasundhara, Vasudha.
Balim.
So Vamana is yaching Vasudham.
Attacks.
No,
No, yachate is.
begging or taking.
Oh.
Asking for.
Oh, right. Oh, that story. Vamana. Avatara.
Yeah.
So
Chaturthi Vibhakti?
yeah, yachate, right? So I think Chaturthi only.
Chaturthi. So,
What is
No,
it?
but
But Yachate won't come, right? Chaturthi
Panchami.
Vibhakti.
Panchami, I think. From Bali, right?
oh, he's asking from Delhi. Okay. Two, not two. Okay.
That is Dadati. So I
So, Balehe,
Hmm.
Vamanaha Balehe, Yachate, Vasudham.
Vasudha. Next. Prich. Nipsayam.
Saya.
Prichati.
Panthaha Manvakam Panthanam Prichati. Panthaha. What is Panthaha?
I think I think it should be Pantha.
Pantha is the follower or something like that?
No.
Teacher.
No.
Teacher?
That fellow who
Manva?
traveler.
Oh, okay.
I have to check actually.
Oh, so the traveler is asking for the way from the people.
Panthanam.
Oh, okay. Panthaha Panthanam Prichati. Panthaha Manvakat Panthanam Prichati.
Yes.
So Pantanam is the root.
Route, way.
I guessed it. Panthanam.
Okay.
Yes.
Krish.
Saraswati Mahadev is getting Krisi wala only.
I am a Krishiwala. Vilekhane. Krisham Lekhane. Krishiwalaha Gramam.
Is dragging. Krisha Vilekane. Usually it is applied to Krishi.
Blowing.
Gramam ajam karshati. Karshati is plowing?
No, dragging.
Dragging. Okay.
Here it is dragging.
Karsati is plowing also, right?
Plowing is there, but here ajam
So basically, you're actually pulling, right? So it is.
pulling.
Okay. Here karshati. Grame ajam karshati.
Grame saptami.
Here it won't be gramat. Grame only.
Can't it be Chaturthi Gramaya? 2 is pulling.
No.
Chaturthi for gramam he is pulling?
No, 2 gram. Oh, no.
No, it is saptami only.
Correct.
If it is 2, then we have to say gramam prati ajam karshati. Prati should come.
Dupachash.
Pach.
Pach. We say only pach. Pa.
Oh, do also gone.
We remove everything for convenience.
Sudaha. Sudaha. What is Sudaha?
Cook.
Oh, cook. Tandulan.
All these new words.
Sudaha Tandulan. Odanam pachati. Tandulan is a rice. Odanam is
Rice. Cooking.
Cooked rice.
cooked rice. Okay. Sudaha with Tandulan, right? Odanam. So with
Tandula.
so
Tandulaihi.
so Tandulaihi. Sudaha Tandulaihi Odanam pachati.
So is this the word that Pandavas used to say Karna? Sutaputra?
No, that is Suta. Sutaha.
This is the.
Suta. Okay, Suta.
Sutaha is a charioteer.
Oh, chariot. Okay.
Sudaha is cook.
Sudaha. Okay. Just one letter. So meaning changed. Profession changed.
Yeah, even Matras.
Profession change. Yes.
Even Matras changes all. Danda Nipatane. Danda Nipatane. What is Nipatane?
Giving punishment.
Oh, okay. Danda Nipatane. To explain Danda, they have used Nipatane. Rather, Danda is more easier to understand than Nipatane.
Nida to probably here also to give kind of a thing.
Gargan Satam Dandayati Raja. Raja Satam Dandayati. Raja Chaturthi, I think it will come.
Shatena. He's punished. Somebody is punished with 100. Those days they would
What is
punish.
What is Gargan?
Some person by name Garga. Maybe more than 2 people were there.
Okay, so the Raja gave punishment to Gargan, right? So Chaturthi will come then, right?
Here, actually, Gargebhyaha.
That's all. Raja Gargebhya Satam Dandayati.
There should be one more. Satam something.
What?
There is no Dvikarmakaha here.
Gargan.
Gargan.
Gargan is
Yeah. Gargan, Raja. Okay, Gargan.
Yeah. Gargam, Gargau, Gargan.
Gargaha, Gargau, Gargan. Gargam, Gargau, Gargan.
Gargan.
So that's why it became Gargebhya.
It should be Gargebhya.
Raja Gargebhya Satam Dandayati.
Nice.
Oh, so Chaturthi came, Saptami came, Panchami came. Tritiya also came. Yeah, okay. Shashti
Rudhir Avarane.
Yeah, Saraswati Madhya, you want to go?
Garga means bull. Bull. That is what I see in the Sanskrit dictionary. Garga.
It can be people also.
Okay.
With that name, he has done some mistake. So the king is punishing them like that. I heard.
Rudhir.
Hmm.
Avarane.
Hmm.
Gopalaha Vrajam Avarunadhi.
Hmm. Gam.
Gam.
Hmm.
Okay.
Vraja is a place. Vraja, we all know. Gopala, we know.
Avarunadhi, what is that? Lock?
Not lock,
11.
to tie like that.
Oh, okay.
Ashwapalakaha. Ashwan, Manduram, something is there, no? Manduram. Word is there. Manduram, Avarunat, like that.
So he's tying them. So Gopalaha, Gam, so the cow, Vrajam, Avarunadhi. Avarunadhi, yeah. So
In
Gopalaha.
in Vraja Bhumi, you have to say.
Okay. Vraje, Avarunadhi. Gam Avarunadhi.
Vah prapane.
There also ni prapane we saw, no? So there is one more thing. Vah prapane.
Krishi Vallaha Gramam Ajam Vahati. Vahati meaning
carrying.
carries. Krishi Vallaha Gramaya Ajam. No. Carries. No.
No. Gramaya nasti.
Grame Ajam Vahati. Krishi Vallaha Grame Ajam.
As Saraswati Mother said, Gramam Prati Ajam Vahati.
So this is the way it works. All this is in dhatus we have done. Do you have anything to share about your classes? What you are attending that?
Yeah. I found a good document in Open Patashala. I can go through that.
So these are the 16, only with these only we have this Dvikarmaka form,
Yes,
nothing?
yes. Only these. Specifically, only these 16.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, I had, because if you remember, some time back, there was one sloka we learnt about Hanumana. There I had a doubt that a lot of Dvitiya is there instead of it should be something else. So I am wondering, was that also following the same rule, Vikarmaka?
Which
Manojavam
shloka was
Maruta.
Manojavakam. Yeah, exactly.
Manojavam Maruta Vegatulyam.
Manojavam Maruta Vegatulyam. Jitendriyam. Buddhimatam Varishtam. Vatatmajam Vanarayutam. Shri Ramadutam. Shirasa Namami.
So
the Namami Dhatu also follows that, Nam Dhatu?
No, Nam Dhatu. There actually it's not Vikarmaka Dhatu. Manojavam is, they all are taking that.
Visheshanam. Right? It is describing Hanuman.
Qualities.
No,
qualities.
That is fine, but the last word, right? What was the last two words?
Shirasa Namami. Manojavam Marututulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Parishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayuda Mukyam Shri Ramadutam Shirasa Namami.
So the Sirsam is also there, right? That is also Dvitiya. That's what I'm asking.
Shirasa Namam.
With head or
I bow to Sri Rama. right?
But there we don't have any Vikarmaka dhatu, isn't it?
Okay, maybe I'll look it offline and then maybe check with Swapna Saraswati Mohoday.
अध्यापकः बालकं पाठं पाठयति. There are two, right? Vikarmakam. Two karmas are there. Adhyapakam paఠం पाठयति.
Adhyapakah paఠం पाठयति.
That is one. Adhyapakah balakam पाठयति.
Balakam पाठयति.
So there are two things.
Paఠం पाठयति.
So that combined together it becomes Vikarmak. Right?
No. For you have to not like that. You have to look whether these 16 dhatus are there. Then only you can call it Vikarmaka.
Okay, so even if you use like Adhyapakah balam paఠం पाठयति, the sentence is correct or incorrect then?
That is correct actually. There is nothing wrong. But you cannot say it is the Vikarmaka dhatu.
Dhatu, Vikarmaka dhatu na.
You have dhatu, these only these 16 dhatus will take Vikarmaka.
Then Patha dhatu, why are we able to use two karmas there? Karma Patha.
No. See, while saying he is teaching something, what he is teaching paఠం. So then you are saying paఠం balakam paఠayati. That is, there is nothing wrong. But you cannot say it is Vikarmaka dhatu. That is not by Panini. Whatever Rishi Panini has said, only that is accepted.
Okay, so maybe there is some other rule to explain such words. Patha dhatu, which takes two karmas.
See, Ramena, Banena, Hataha, Valihi, they say. Ramena, Banena. Like that, but that doesn't mean it is wrong or right. What Panini says, that we follow. That's all. Okay, Saraswati Mohoday.
So in any language, we can think of the collection or formation of words put together is a sentence. A sentence has three parts mainly. One is the subject, another is the object, and the third one is the action word or the verb. So if you translate that into Sanskrit, sentence is the vakyam, and subject is the kartrupadam, who does the action, and object is the karmapadam. The subject does action on the object, and what action, that is the verb, which is kriyapadam. So these are the three main things in any sentence. We have to look for other things like qualifiers. Everything is for, it will be supporting these three things. For example, balakaha, unnataha balakaha. So that is, unnataha is actually qualifying the balakaha. But the main subject is balakaha. So that is what we have to see. There, any sentence will have three parts. Main is the kartrupadam, karmapadam, and kriyapadam. So how do we use this? The combination of this is the voice or the prayoga. How do we put it in a way so it makes sense and gives meaning to the sentence is the voice or the prayoga. So before that, we have to look at the, there are two types of kriyapadam in Sanskritam, that is transitive verbs or intransitive verbs. Transitive is sakarmakaha. That means it is, there is an object, there is a subject who is, there is a kartru who is doing that action. So that is sakarmakaha. Akarmakaha, there is no object. Sakarmakaha, there is karma padam, not kartru. There is somebody, there is an object towards which the subject performs an action is transitive. And there is no object is akarmakaha. So for example, if you look at it, balakaha patam patati. So balakaha, the boy reads lesson. That action of reading is done on the book, reads a lesson in this case. Balakaha hasati, there is no object. So how do we conclude whether it is a transitive or an intransitive verb? So we have to ask the question. Okay, balakaha pustakam patati. So first we have to look at the action word or the verb, kriya padam. Okay, patati. Who reads kaha patati or ka patati or kim patati? That question, if you get an answer, that is a subject. And that subject will always be in Prathama Vibhakti. And I'm not talking about Vachana, I'm just talking about the Vibhakti, depending on the thing. And the verb, the Kriya Padam will always match the Kartru Padam. If it is plural, this will also be plural, and it is Prathama Purusha, all those things, it will change accordingly, the Pratyaya for the Kriya Padam. So the Pustakam is the Karma Padam. So you are asking, what does the boy read? Pustakam. Balakaha kim patati. So when you get an answer in Dvitiya Vibhakti, that is the Karma Padam. Always it should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. And it need not match the Vachana of the subject. All the boys, there can be 100 boys, all of them can be reading one book. Each of them can be reading one book. So it can be Pustakam Patati, Balakaha Pustakam Patati, or Balakaha Pustakani Patati, depending on the context.
Patanti.
But Patanti. Balakaha Pustakam Patanti. That should match. So that is transitive verb. Hasati, you go, okay, hasati. Kaha hasati? Balaha hasati. Balaha, so if I go and ask, Balaha kim asati, you cannot answer that. Because it is an akarmaka dhatu or verb. So you don't. So they have given this one more example. So based on that, so this will, now we have understood this is the Kriya Padam, and the transitive verb can take in two voices. One is active and passive, and the intransitive verbs are the akarmakaha can take two forms. One is active, another one is impersonal or bhave prayoga. So the voice is called prayoga. So transitive verb changes to active voice and passive voice. Intransitive verb changes to active voice and impersonal voice. Impersonal voice is never possible for transitive verb, and passive voice is never possible for intransitive verb. So this is the main gist, and they have given here voice explained a little more. So voice, active, passive, impersonal. Active is Kartari Prayoga, where the importance is given on the subject. The passive is on the object, and impersonal is on does not have the object, like the akarmakaha dhatu will come here.
So there the importance is given on the Kriya Padam actually.
Kriya Padam. So here they have given a nice table where they have summarized everything. So active voice is called Kartari. This is the locative, how it has come, they have seen the Saptami Vibhakti of this Kartru. Pitru like that. And Karmani Prayogaha is Naman, Karman Dhatu. So and Bhave Prayoga is like Deva Bhava. And subject is always predominant in Kartari Prayogaha. Object is always predominant in Karmani Prayogaha. And subject will be in the Tritiya Vibhakti. INS is instrumental case, which is Tritiya Vibhakti.
What is this? Like Pitri, like Naman, like Deva?
This is how they have come up the name. Bhave is like Deva, Deve.
Oh, okay. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation, yeah. So this is okay. Just and then subject always is in the nominative. It means Prathama Vibhakti, and for this object is always in the Dvitiya Vibhakti, accusative case. And in the Karmani Prayogaha, the Kartrupadam will be in Tritiya Vibhakti, and Karma Padam will be in Prathama Vibhakti. I'm just using the words that we have learned, so that even though it is in English, it is...
Actually, that makes more sense. This nominative, accusative, I am like... So we have become more Sanskritized than English. Good.
And Kriya Padam should be Akarmaka Dhatu. Akarmaka, because there is no object. So the example, in here it is Balaka. They have given this Balakaha. I'm on purpose. I'm shifting from here to here so that we will understand it better. Balakaha Pustakam Patati. Balakaha is in Prathama Vibhakti. That is what they are saying here in third. Balakaha, and Pustakam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So that is accusative case, object always in accusative. Patati is Prathama Purusha. Because this is Prathama Purusha, it will also change to Prathama Purusha. That is what's the root and conjunction, the ending of the person, depending on what person it is. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha. So, and based on that and the number, it will change. That is this line they are saying. And in passive, verb will be according to the object. This is according to subject, here is the object. So, Balakena Pustakam Patyate. So, here the Kartapadam is in Tritiya Vibhakti and the object or Karma Padam is in Prathama Vibhakti. This happens to be Napumsakalinga thing. So we are using Prathama Vibhakti. So what they are saying is, yes, we are following here the Vibhakti, the Purusha, the Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha will, based on that, the verb will change. Here it will change on the Linga. Linga Bedam Asti. Here. Because we are following on the object. So Balakena will be in Tritiya Vibhakti and Pustakam, the object would be in Prathama Vibhakti and the ending will be in Atmanepadi kind of ending. The Pat Dhatu.
Actually, the
Pat Ya is added, Patyate.
Actually, the Karma Pada also could be like personal. Right now it is in third person, but it could be first person, second person also.
I think even would that Linga Bedam will it matter here?
Yeah. I think Linga Beda Nasti, the Purusa will matter actually.
Okay. So what are you saying? Can you say with an example?
Yeah, for example, Aham Pustakam Patami. Okay, so in that case, Purusha is Uttama Purusha, right? So, and the verb changes, the ending changes based on the person.
Yes. Yeah, no, I think, you were saying about this.
Yeah, Kriya Padam changes based on Purusha and Vachana. It doesn't matter with Linga. Same thing. Here, Pustakam Pathyate, also the Pathyate will change based on Purusha and Vachana. It won't matter with Linga.
Or maybe the Vibhakti will change according to the Linga.
Because Pathyate is also a Kriya Padam.
Yeah, no. This one, the Tritiya Vibhakti changes based on the lingam, right? Linga bedam. For a Strilinga, it will change. Balika, if it is there.
That is fine. That is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Balikaya pustakam
Yeah, so-
paఠ్యతే.
That is correct.
Yeah. So
So
here,
पुस्तकानि पठ्यन्ते.
patyante.
Hmm.
So I made a
Exactly.
mistake. Yeah.
And for example, and for example, we were talking about that instance, right? Adhyapakaha balakam pathayati. So now there are both are people, right? So then accordingly it will change. If it is instead of balakam, if it is like, for example, mom is teaching me, like mom. So adhyapakaha mam pathyati. So that will become adhyapakena aham pathite.
Pathaye.
Pataye.
No, aham pathyami.
Pataye.
Pathaye.
So that will change based on aham. I don't know what is the prathama purusa for pathyate.
Vande.
I think it will change according. So that's why. Huh?
Just like Vande, you have to add
Aham pathaye.
Aham pathaye. So adhyapakena aham pathaye. So that's what the pathaye, that will change. So it will change based on purusa and vachana both. It doesn't matter because it's a kriya padam. Same like pathati.
Yeah, true. Thank you. So that is what you have to remember, that we have to add ya and atmanepadi ending. So that's the reason why it always looks like atmanepadi word.
Oh, atmanepadi with an extra ya.
But dhatu is whatever dhatu we have added here.
Correct.
So in bhave prayoga, here we are using akarmaka dhatu, and there are no karma padam. So only the kartru padam. So it can be in active voice or kartari prayoga. Balakaha asati. So that is kartari prayoga.
Akarmaka dhatu or akarmaka kriya padam?
Kriya padam, not dhatu. Kriya padam. Akarmaka kriya padam. So then balakaha hasati will become balena, balaha asati, then balena hasyate. So in that case, this is again, it is in Tritiya Vibhakti. This would be always, this is what they're saying, verb will be in passive form and always in third person singular.
Yeah, because the karmapada is missing, right? Because this follows karmapada typically, but we don't have karmapada, so we have to default to Tritiya Prathama Purusa
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
So here, because we know what it is, like here also, how the Vachanam, so we can change here. But since we don't know how the Karmapada, we cannot change it to the Vachana. So it has to be in Prathama Purusha and Ekavachanam.
So does it mean that Hasyate doesn't even have other forms, or they are there but not used?
In this bhave prayoga, it is not used. Only this is used. Singular.
That is, in a Kartari Prayoga, you will use the other forms.
Yeah, but Hasyate won't have a Kartari Prayoga, right?
Kartari prayoga is not there, but Karmani prayoga is there. No? Hasyate, you can do. But in bhave prayoga, only hasyate, patyate, pathyate.
So even in Karmani Prayoga, it will come?
See, balakena pustakam patyate. Balakabhyam.
Pathyate is fine. We are talking of the special has dhatu, hasyate.
Yeah,
Okay.
those are all, they are all akarmaka
So
kriya padam.
there may not be, I don't know, the table may be there, but it may not be used anywhere.
Bhagini, I am changing between dhatu and kriya padam. So are they same, or akarmaka dhatu or akarmaka kriya padam? What should I say?
Akarmaka dhatu.
Dhatu.
Oh, dhatu is also akarmaka? Because in a Pravesha book, they talked about akarmaka kriya actually.
Intransitive verb.
Yeah. So maybe the dhatu also is like that, could be.
It has to come from a root, right?
Yeah, but that root, can it form both akarmaka and sakarmaka kriya? That is the question.
But verb, they say whatever, kriya
We are
padam.
not saying sakarmaka dhatu. Are we saying sakarmaka dhatu?
That is what I asked Bhagini. What should I say? Dhatu or... since it is in English, I don't know. Verb root is dhatu, right? Verb means kriya padam.
Kriya padam.
Yeah. Yeah. The next one is, I think they are making it too advanced and I don't know what it is. It's exactly the same thing, this table.
This is the same only, right?
Yeah, and then this one is passive verb forms may be used in present tense, past tense, imperative mood, and potential.
Okay.
What is
The
potential?
kriya padam, they are telling they can take different forms.
No, potential is what? What is? What prayoga is that?
Ling.
Vidhiling. Vidhiling.
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling.
Present is lat, past is ling, lung, imperative is lot, potential is vidhilinga.
Vidhiling.
We have not studied Vidhiling, no? Did we?
No.
We'll study now in Parichaya class. It will be.
Okay.
And then last week they taught us about Visheshanam and Visheshyam. I didn't prepare the slide for that. And for example, Balakaha patati, Unnataha Balakaha patati. So in that case, Visheshyam is Balakaha, Visheshanam is Unnataha. So that Visheshanam will follow whatever that Visheshyam is, depending on the Vachanam and Purusha. Unnata Balika, Unnataha Balakaha, Unnatam Pustakam. And also the Vibhakti also will change accordingly. That is the reason why when we were saying, okay, this is Tritiya, this also should change because of that Visheshanam and Visheshyam. Visheshyam is the subject or what, that is the Kartapadam. So and they were using this slokam and all. Shantakaram, Bhujagasayanam, Padmanabham, Shuresham, all those things are describing Vishnu. So all these things are Visheshana Padam. Visheshyam is Vishnu.
Vishesha is basically noun. It could be subject, object, anything. Yeah.
So the same thing is Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam, that all those things is Hanuman, right? So Vishesha.
Bhagini, go down. Go down your slide.
This I don't know. This
I didn't have those the questions. Go down the 7th page. Oh no.
This
okay. No.
This one, the practice.
Okay. Yeah, practice.
Okay.
That is the other page.
That is a different.
Okay.
This is an open Pathashala, and this one is coming from the Sanskrit documents. I will expand this.
This is a conversion of active to passive. Shall we try?
Visible? Visible?
Yeah, yeah. No.
Chhatraha patham pathanti. It should be pathanti, I think. I think this we have done earlier. Same mistake was there earlier also. Uh, so it will become Chhatraihi patham pathati. No, pathyate.
Why
Patyante.
patham?
Pataha.
Pathaha, no?
Oh, yeah, correct. Pathaha pathyate.
Patyante.
Pathaha, right? To pathyate. It will describe pathaha.
Okay. Right. Pataha. Patyate. Balikaha nrutyam kurvanti. Balikabhihi, right? Balikabhihi nrutyam only, right?
Nrityam.
Nrityam.
Nrutyam krutavati. Kriyate.
Shikshakaha shikshanam dadati. Shikshakaihi shikshanaha dadyate.
Shikshana.
Shikshana.
What is Shikshana? Is teaching? Okay.
Shikshana, not shiksha.
Shikshana is
Striling, I think.
Dvitiya vibhakti, right? Yeah, here it is.
Shikshana dadyate. Right? Dadyate.
Diyate.
Diyate.
Vayam bhojanam kurmaha. Vayam. So it will become Vayam Tritiya.
Asmabhihi.
Asmabhihi. Asmabhihi bhojanam only. Bhojanam kriyate.
Ete shlokam shrunvanti. Ete, that is bahuvachanam. Etaihi, right? Etaihi shlokam, shlokaha shruyate.
Shru, is it?
Shruyate.
Okay.
Shri Shra
Shru. Dirgham.
Shruyate.
Dirgham. Archakaha mantram pathanti. Archakaihi mantram pathyate.
Mantraha.
Mantram napumsakalingana?
Nasti. Mantraha.
When I checked, I thought I saw it was napumsakalingana. Mantraha? Okay. Anila Mahoday.
Yeah. Okay. Mantra is Pullinga. I was just checking. Yeah. Te itihasam likhanti. Te means they. Okay. So taihi itihasah lekhyati.
Likhyate.
Likhyate.
Likdatu.
Likhayate or likhyate?
Likhyate. Yakaram should come. Likh dhatu is there. Add yakaram to that.
So likhayate.
Not
Likhyate.
yana. Yeah.
Oh,
Likhyate.
kha is not.
Kha has halant, isn't it? Likh.
Okay.
Dhatu is likh. Add yakaram to that.
Okay, we will just check here. That is the reason I like this table here. Dhatu plus ya plus te.
Okay. Correct.
Or whatever that ending.
Fine.
AP endings.
Fine. Yeah.
यात्रिकाः काशीं गच्छन्ति. यात्रिकैः काशीः काशी because it is strilingam. Kashi gamyate.
Gam dhatu add yakaram.
Yeah, gamyate.
भगिन्यः स्वच्छतां कुर्वन्ति. भगिनीभिः स्वच्छता क्रियते. भगिनीभिः स्वच्छता क्रियते.
Dirgha, right? Kriyate.
No. Kriyate.
Oh, Harsa.
Asva.
Asva kriyate. Krudatu so kriyate.
Nataha abhinayam kurvanti. Nataihi abhinayaha kriyate.
एताः विषयं स्मरन्ति. एताभिः विषयः स्मरन्ति.
Smar dhatu add yakaram to that.
स्मर्यते.
स्मर्यते.
Bagini, scroll down. Scroll up.
Okay.
Or scroll. Survey.
Did I scroll so
Yeah.
much? No.
Yeah, that's
Good. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
सर्वे चन्दमामां पठन्ति. सर्वैः चन्दमामा पठ्यते.
सर्वाः दूरदर्शनां पश्यन्ति. सर्वाभिः दूरदर्शनां, right? So
Doordarshanam should be there, no? Darshanam. Why Doordarshanam? Doordarshanam. Napumsalinga.
Oh, okay. सर्वाभिः दूरदर्शनं दृश्यते.
दृश्यते न पश्यते न.
Dhatu.
दृश् धातु.
Drish dhatu. Now you understand why it is that way. Mataraha shishum lalayanti. Mataraha is bahuvachanam.
मातृभिः.
मातृभिः शिशुः लाल्यते.
What is the dhatu here?
Lal eva.
Lal.
Oh, yes, but why they have added here? Yeah, lalayanti.
That is bahuvachanam. Lalayanti. Lalayati, lalayatah, lalayanti. Latlakaraha.
Remember we studied about the verb roots that there are 10
correct.
things,
This
and
might be
it,
the 10th. Yeah,
somewhere it will be added.
Correct. It might be the 10th root.
भिक्षुकाः भिक्षां याचन्ते. भिक्षुकैः भिक्षा याच्यते.
चोराः वस्तु चोरयन्ति. चोरैः वस्तु. Shouldn't it be?
Vastu eva. It's an apumsa. Vastu vastuni. Vastu vastuni vastuni.
Oh, that's why it is vastu only in Dvitiya also. Correct. Choraihi vastu चोर्यते.
कर्मकाराः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति. कर्मकरैः कार्यं कार्यः क्रियते.
ओ कार्यः. ओके. दुष्टाः सत्पुरुषं निन्दन्ति. दुष्टैः सत्पुरुषः निन्द्यते.
महिलाः नाटकं पश्यन्ति. महिलाभिः नाटकं दृश्यते.
You got both drished. पंडिताः प्रवचनं कुर्वन्ति. पंडितैः प्रवचनं only, right? प्रवचनं क्रियते.
ओके. चित्रकाराः चित्रं लिखन्ति. चित्रकारैः चित्रं लिख्यते.
भारवाहः भारं वहन्ति. भारवाहः. So भारवाहैः भारः वह्यते.
Uhyate, no? It should be uhyate. Check.
So bharam is pumlinga. Bharaha.
भारवाहः. भारवाहः.
No, not bharam. The
Bharam is, I think, Pullinga.
pumlinga. Bhara.
Bharaha. I think so. I can check it.
Vahanti will become uhyate.
Okay.
You please check, no?
Yeah, Bhara is Pullinga.
Okay.
Vahanti will become Uhyate. Okay. Bharvahaihi Bharaha Uhyate.
सैनिकाः शस्त्रं नयन्ति. सैनिकैः शस्त्रः नीदातु. शस्त्रम् only. शस्त्रं चामर नीयते. Because of the niyate, right? Because of the ni dhatu, niyate. So shastram or shastraha?
Shastram.
Chaturaha sarvam smaranti. Chaturaihi sarvaha smaryate.
Done? Saraswati Mati, anything else or done? Done.
Just
धन्यवादः.
Did I confuse more?
अग्रिमकक्षायां वयं प्रक्रिया प्रकरणस्य विषये किञ्चित् पठामः.
What is prakriya?
I told you, no, this Rama Shabdah. Rama is Pratipadikam is Rama.
Okay.
Akaranta Rama Shabdah. How you derive at Ramaha, how you derive Rama, Rama.
Correct.
So from Ram Dhatu, Dhatu or whatever.
Rama is the Pratipadikam for Rama Shabdah. Akaranta Pullinga, Rama Shabdah you say. If it is Pustaka, you say, for Pustakam also, Pratipadikam is Pustaka Shabdah, isn't it? Like that. So how will you arrive at Ramaha? Ramam, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, whatever.
Yeah. I think right now we are just putting the matras according to a table, but the actual suffix is something else at times. Okay. Correct.
So we will try to understand how. Only for Prathama Vibhakti I will show you. If you have interest, I can do more. Then we will consider. And next class, Swapna Mahodaya, you be ready with something to present the class.
Okay.
Try.
So what did we learn? We learned
After you,
Visheshanam,
Anil
right?
Mahodaya will try. What?
No, in the we studied about this prayogaha